No, give me
What do
here,
you need
here.
the bag for?
Alright.
We're here.
Rocket-propelled grenades.
Listen to me. Grab this. Grab this like this. Light it. Okay, Chris. Obama. This time it made a bigger hole.
What? Hey, let me try one.
Alright.
Let me try one.
Wait.
Put the fuse.
Okay. So somebody film. Gotta launch this baby.
I'll film. You film, Brian.
Yeah, launch this. Finish it. Here. Let me light it. Let me throw it in.
This is T-Heat Prodigy on Xbox
Please let me
Live.
light it. Come on, man.
Ghost Berserker on Xbox Live.
Somebody.
K-Man Master.
Alright, yeah. Put it in the hole.
They're on TV.
Put a whole bunch of the holes in.
So K-Man.
Stop. Fine.
Never mind.
Dude, let me light it because you
K-Man. Why you blast rock so much? Blast rock so much. TV. He's black.
We don't really need this play.
He's a hula dancer.
That's two. Oh shit!
Let's try it again.
My foot was on fire. I swear to God. Okay, I put three fireworks in the thing, right?
On YouTube?
And I shot two.
What's the
And
one
I was
that you
like,
dropped?
okay. Where's the third one? I look down and my foot is barking, and it feels.
Let me film, please. Can you see? No.
What's the hole?
I want TV. Brian's retarded. Ow.
Oh,
Hold this like
I got it!
hurry up!
Ow!
Hurry up!
Ow!
Hurry up!
Ow!
You don't know how.
Hurry up!
Ow! Shit.
Fuck.
Shit.
Fuck. Failure! That's why I needed somebody to turn them all at the same time.
Let Brian shoot it. Let Brian shoot it.
Fine. Brian, put it on the ground and hold it. Hold it that. Those dumbasses on YouTube who like do stuff.
Maybe you are one of those dumbasses.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna hold it.
Shit.
Damn it.
I'm gonna hold this one.
Pete, film it. You're gonna hold that one?
Yeah.
Alright, careful. The firework master, he.
Advance a bit.